Okay, so I've gotten a lot of questions about turning in your Voting in America. You're going to come down to your literacy class and hit the plus sign. I'm going to leave Voting in America pinned for now, so it'll show up in your list right here. If you scroll up and down on this list, you'll see activities. For right now, I'm going to go into Voting in America. I'm going to go to Action. I'm going to go to the last step. What I see I forgot in the directions was turn it in. So I'll make sure that that gets added today. But once you get to the last step and you've done all the steps, most of which we did here in the classroom, you're going to click here on the Google Drive icon. Then down here, you'll see all your Google Docs. Some of us have a lot of Google Docs, so we need to type in part of our title. Now you see right here, I have my Google Doc open and it says voting. So I'm going to put in voting here, not the whole thing. It's really easy to typo and then not find anything, just part of it. And then I'm going to hit search. Down here, you'll see your document. You're going to click on it, then come up to your locker and click right here. Now you'll see that you've turned something in and it'll actually show as completed. You can see here on the main page, now your Voting in America has an envelope on it and it has disappeared from your list, showing that you did actually turn it in. Something else to note, if you've got anything here underneath missing activities, it means that you've got something that you need to finish still. So this is whenever you have a second, finish all of these activities.